This November, Cheney Public Schools is asking voters to consider two replacement levies, an Educational Programs and Operations Levy, or EP&O levy, and a Capital Technology Levy. Both measures replace expiring levies, and the funding will continue to provide essential programs and services to students across our district. Our district, along with districts across Washington state, rely on local voter-approved levies to bridge the gap between what the state funds and the actual costs of providing our students with the opportunities and resources to be successful. The EP&O levy provides funding for educational programs and operations, and Cheney Public Schools uses this local funding to support areas such as athletics, extracurricular activities, music and fine arts, nutrition services, transportation, substitute teachers, YES officers, and professional development. The Capital Technology Levy provides funding for capital projects like technology and security and infrastructure improvements. This includes acquiring and installing instructional technology, security cameras and entry controls, as well as upgrading other infrastructure for safety. Each of these propositions is a replacement levy, not an additional levy. They replace the district's current levies as they expire. If approved, the estimated overall tax rate is expected to decrease from $3.93 to $3.90 per $1,000 of assessed property value. The replacement EP&O and Capital Technology levies will be on the ballot for the November 3rd general election. To learn more, please visit cheneysd.org.